Good morning, grade threes. Good morning, parents. Right, so this whole week, the next 2 weeks, we are going to be concentrating on division. It is quite a difficult concept, so I want you to practice every single day so that by the end of the 2 weeks, you'll have it really done well. If you are stuck, you can ask Mrs. Ashman. She's going to be taking Microsoft Teams. So during the time that you're with her, if you can't get it right, ask her to show you again. All right, so let's try and let's see if this division is easier for you to follow and if you can understand. Okay, let's go. Okay, so division, starting at the beginning. So we're starting with really easy stuff because I want you to see how to do it when it's easy, so when it gets more difficult, you'll understand. Now we have make 9 frogs and share them equally on 3 lily pads. Okay, I have got 3, 6, 9 frogs in my hand, and I'm going to share them. Each one gets 1, then I can share again. Each one gets 1, then I can share again. Each one gets 1. Right, so what would the answer be? How much does each lily pad get? They get 3. But now that takes a while. So there's a different way we could do. We could start with 2s. This one gets 2, that one gets 2, that one gets 2. How much have I used? 2, 4, 6. I must start with 9, so I've still got 3 in my hand. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I put 1, 1, and 1. And again, how much does each one get? They get 3. But to even make it quicker, because I know how clever you are, we can use groups of 3. Straight away we can see, okay, I can try 3, I can try 3, and I can try 3. Much quicker. Done. 3, 6, 9. So we can start with 1 if we want to, or start with 2, or start with 3. All right, let's go and look at something different. Okay, right, let's do another division sum. Right, this one says, make 10 chocolate buttons and share them equally on 2 cakes. So, I've got 10 here in my hand, and we're going to do like we do in grade 1. We share them. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. It takes a long time. How much has each one got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, but we can do that quicker, can't we? Let's rather use 2s. Okay? 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. But now I can't use that one, so I can use 2 loose ones and put 1 each. Again, they've got 2, 4, and 1, 5. 2, 4, 1, 5. It was quicker than just the ones. But we can still do something else. What is it, grade 3s? Yes, we can use 5 and 5. And then we have 5 and 5 is 10. So 10 shared with 2 cakes is 5 each. Right, easy. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, one last easy one for you to just revise. Let's go on. So now this one says make 8 bugs and share them equally on 2 leaves. So again, we can do like we did in grade 1. 1 and 1. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Okay, so how much has this leaf got? 4. And how much has that leaf got? 4. So the answer 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, right, take off. What's quicker to do? I'm sure you can see it straight away. We can rather count in 2s. 2, 2, 2, and 2. And then we've got 4 for each leaf. So we use a number a little bit bigger to start with, then we won't have to do all the little ones. Okay, now we're going to go to the more difficult one. All right, let's go on with a bigger number now. Now it gets a bit more difficult. It says, make 28 sausages and share them equally on 3 plates. Now 28 is getting bigger, you can see. And what I want you to always do now in grade 3, on the side, you're going to write 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. You're going to do this every single time now you do division in grade 3. You're going to just write that next to your sum. You're going to ask yourself, can I take 20 and put it on each plate? 20, 40, 60. No, I don't have 60. Can I take 10 sausages and put them on the plate? 10, 20, 30. No, too much. I don't have 30. Can I take 5 and put it on the plate? Let's see, 5, 10, 15. Yes, I can. So I take 5 and I put 5 for each child, counting in 5s, and that makes 15. So we had 28 sausages and now we've used 15 on the plate. So how much is going to be left? 13. Right. Now let's carry on. Can I do 5 again? 5, 10, 15? No, because I only got 13. Can I do 2? Yes. So let's see. 2, 4, 6. Do I have 6? Yes, I do. So let's go 13. And we're going to take away the 6. And we'll be left with, who can tell me? 7. Okay, 7 and 6 make 13. We know our bonds. Now we've got 7. Can I still do 2, 4, 6? Yes, I can. So I can still use 2s because there's enough. 2, 4, and 6. Right, so minus 6 again, and you can do it in a long line, or like ma'am, if you've run out of space on my little whiteboard, I go to the bottom and I take away 6, and I've got 1 left. Now, can I take 1 and share it on 3 plates? No, it's not going to work, because then it'll be 3. I've only got 1 left. So now my sum will be, how much is on the plate? Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's look. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there is 1 little sausage over. He can't go on the plate because there's not enough. So let's see. Make 28 sausages and share them equally. Every plate has to have the same amount. The answer is 9, remainder 1. So now I'm going to put the answer at the bottom. And I've used the 2s. I can't use the 1s. Answer, I'll show you now. 9, remainder 1. So we're going to answer like that. Answer 9, remainder 1. Okay, we're going to do another difficult one. Okay. Make 63 eggs and share them equally on 2 baskets. What did I say grade 3s are always going to do now? We're always going to write 20, 10, 25, 2, and 1. Let's take that off there. There we can see it's a 5. Right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this number 63 and say, can I share 63 into 2? I can go, what big number first? Let's start with 20. Can I go 20 and 20? How much does that make? 40. Okay, so we can do that. So 63 minus 40 equals, let's do the 40. There's 2 10s. That's 20. Oops, come back here. And 20. Don't you like my little cute eggs? Right, 20 and 20. All right, makes 40. And there's 23 over. Now, don't cross out the 20 until you ask yourself, can I do 20 again for each one? No, there's only 23 left. I can't go 20 and 20. So I cross out the 20. Can I now go 10 and 10? What is 10 and 10? That makes 20. Is there 23 here? Yes. 23 minus, I can put 1 10 there and 1 10 there. So 23 minus 20, I use 20, and now I've got 3 over. So we ask ourselves again, can I put another 10? No. Can I put a 5? I've only got 3 left. No. Can I put a 2 for each basket? No. So what have I got left? I've got 3 left. Let's take 3, and I can give 1 there, and 1 there. And what happens? Can I share this one? No. Poor little guy's all by himself. Now, how much is in? So this is what we did now. We took 3 and we gave 1, and 1 makes 2. And how much have we got left? 1. There's our little 1 there, all on his own. So can I use 1 again? No, because there's not enough. So what's the answer here? 10, 20, 31. 10, 20, 31. Is it equal? Yes. So the answer is 31 remainder 1. And we write it like this. Put him over there. We write 31 remainder 1. That will be your answer. 31 remainder 1. Got it? Okay, let's try one last one, and then you're on your own. All right, this is the last example, so pay careful attention. Right. This one says make 47 fish and share them equally on 3 tanks. Remember, it has to be equal. Right, we got 47. Let's start with 20. Can I go 20, 40, 60? Have I got 60? No, I don't, so we cross out the 20. Can I go 10, 10, 10? How much does that make? 30. Can I do 30? Yes. So 10 fish, 10 fish, and 10 fish. That makes 30. So minus 30 I've put in the tanks, and now I have 17 left. So we say 47 minus 30, because I put them in the tanks, and there are 17 left. Now can I take 10 again and put it in each tank? No, because I don't have 30, so we take the 10 away. Let's see if I can do 5 now. 5, 10, 15. Do I have 15? Yes. So I can put some 5s. Let's take some 5s. 5 for you, 5 for you, and 5 for you. Right, now I must write it. Don't forget to always write it. I've got 17, and I took 5, and 5, and 5, which is 15. And now I have 2 left. Okay, so can I use 5 again? No, there's only 2. Cross out. Now look at the 2's. Can I go 2, 4, 6? No, I've only got a 2. Cross out. Can I go 1 and 1 and 1? No, because I've only got 2. So I have to cross off the 1. So I'm left with 2 again. Let's see. I've got 2 fishies. I can't share them there because that would be unfair and it wouldn't be equal. So there are 2 fishes left. What is my answer going to be? I'm going to look in the fish tank. I've got 10 and I've got 5, 15. In each fish tank, I've got 15. So capital A for answer. I've got 15. And I don't want to do this untidily. Remainder. And how many fish did we have? 2 left over. So we got 15, remainder 2.